Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup iPhone passwords using iCloud Keychain. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on your name, which is at the top of the menu. Next, select iCloud from the list of options. Once in iCloud settings, look for Keychain and tap on it. If you haven't enabled Keychain before, toggle on the switch next to iCloud Keychain. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or verify your identity. After enabling iCloud Keychain, your iPhone will begin syncing passwords. To ensure your passwords are backed up, go back to the main iCloud settings. Scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. Make sure that iCloud Backup is turned on. Tap on Backup now to create a backup immediately. Wait for the backup process to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once finished, your iPhone passwords will be securely stored in iCloud Keychain. To access your saved passwords, go back to Settings and tap on Passwords. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Here, you can view and manage all your saved passwords easily. Now you can rest assured that your passwords are backed up and protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.